Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, many of you have received the date of joining from Cognizant. But friends, there is confusion regarding the physical onboarding or virtual onboarding and also regarding the location. The location which you have got earlier and today you are getting a mail that your location has been changed. So friends, in this video I will be solving all your doubts why the location is different in onboarding mail and in onboarding pass. And friends, some of them have received the onboarding pass location and the location which was mentioned before in the mail is different. So let's begin the video and solve all your doubts. So friends, many of them have received the mail regarding the location change. So friends, on 7th February you have received the mail that your joining location will be Calcutta or Chennai or Hyderabad. But now on 14th February you are receiving the mail that we would like to let you know that you will be reporting to the below mentioned location on your scheduled date of joining and request you to ignore the location that was mentioned in the earlier communication that you would have received from us. We would like to regret from the inconvenience caused. So friends, I would like to tell you that the location which you have got earlier on 7th February 2023, that will not be your location of joining. Your location has been changed and the location which you are getting on 14th February is the latest location where you will be joining. So one of my friend on 7th February, he have received the mail regarding the location that his location was on Calcutta. But on 14th February in the evening, he have received the mail that his reporting location will be Hyderabad. So friends, I would like to tell you that the joining date will be the same, but the reporting location for all the students who will be joining on 21st February has changed. So as mentioned in the mail, you have to report in the location in the date of joining. And friends, it is also concluded, please be informed that your reporting location is to be considered only from the mail that you have received on Feb 14th. There will be no updates or changes to that location. Especially for the 21st February joiners, the mail which you have received on 14th February, that will be your final mail and the final reporting. And friend, there was a meeting for 21st February joiners and they have also concluded that you have to return to office, and the points which they have covered are the mail received on Feb 14th 2023 will be the location to report. The onboarding planned on 21st Feb will be only at the location that you received in the mail on 14th Feb. So friends, as you can see that it is concluded and it is clear that and the date of joining of 21st February will be the final. If in case you cannot report at the location per the mail on 14th Feb, please send a mail to you that please don't change or don't think that your location will be changed, because as per the current IT scenario, the date of joining will be getting on delayed and delayed. Already we have received the DOJ late, but if you don't join as per the communication by Cognizant, so there is a high probability that your date of joining can be postponed. And friends, many of them have received the previous location mail and the onboarding pass mail is different. So friends, I want to confirm you that the mail which you have got earlier regarding the location, that will be the final mail. Don't consider the location which is mentioned in your onboarding pass, as there is a miscommunication from the Cognizant side that your onboarding pass location and your previous mail location is different. The previous mail location and your onboarding pass mail location should be same, but due to some glitches or problems, the location has appeared different. And guys, if we talk about the physical onboarding, that what are the documents you have to take with you in the Cognizant office? So basically you have to carry 4 documents which is mandatory. The first is onboarding pass, the second is offer letter, the third is Aadhaar card or PAN card, and the fourth is minimum 2 passport size photographs. So friends, if you are having any doubts regarding the onboarding, regarding the location change, onboarding pass, physical onboarding or the documents, so do comment down below. And if you like the video, do hit the like button and also share with your friends who will be joining Cognizant. Thank you.